How to use Reddit for news, learning, or entertainment. Reddit isn't just memes and random posts. It's a goldmine for news, learning, and entertainment. Let's break down how you can make the most of it. First things first, go to your browser and type www.reddit.com and log in if you haven't already. For news, search for subreddits like r/news, r/old news, or niche ones like r/technology. Subscribe for daily updates. For learning, explore communities like r/ask science, r/history, r/ask historians, or topic-specific subreddits such as r/lord programming. For entertainment, browse r/movies, r/funny, r/gaming, or r/books. Use the search bar to find posts, ask questions, or discover communities. Sort posts by trending, fresh, or top upvoted for the content style you want. Pro tip: join niche communities for higher quality and more relevant posts. Save important or interesting posts using the save feature for later reading or reference. And that's how you can turn Reddit into your personal hub for staying informed, learning new things, and having fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.